What's up, guys? Have you ever went out to start your push mower to send up a few months without gas in it and now it won't start? Well, I'm going to show you. If you have this plastic style carburetor on your push mower, I'm going to show you how to fix your push mower without any cost to you, zero cost in parts. Let's go. Let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to just confirm this is the problem. We're going to spray a little carburetor cleaner here and get it started. And it does crank up and cut off. So let's get it over to the table, get the carburetor taken off, and go from there. Alright, so now we're just going to get this carburetor taken off. The bolt sizes are 7 millimeters and 8 millimeters. Then we'll get the cover off so that you can pull the carburetor off. Like I said, guys, we're going to fix this push mower without any cost in parts. It won't cost you anything. Only thing you need is some brake cleaner and some compressed air if possible. But if you don't have compressed air, that's still fine too. It just will be heavy on the brake cleaner. But if you have this type style push mower with this plastic style carburetor, you can fix this carburetor for free. I have done several of these carburetors. I'm talking about, I probably fix about 30 to 40 of these a year. You know, just getting them back running. And it's very, very simple. So follow these steps and get it back running. First, we're just taking off the tank. We got the carburetor off, but now we're just gonna take the tank off, get all the old gas out of it, get it pouring out, just to get the tank wrenched out, and start over with fuel, fresh fuel. All right, now we're just taking this carburetor apart. Like I said, this the bolt sizes are 7 millimeters on this. The bolts just on the carburetor. Like I said, guys, the only thing you really need is some kind of cleaner, brake cleaner, and some compressed air. You can even use the compressed air in the can. You just kind of want something to kind of be able to blow this thing out a little bit while cleaning it out. We're just gonna disassemble it. The biggest thing on this carburetor, it does have a couple O-rings in it. I've never replaced O-rings. Now, unless I've got one of the carburetors that was pretty bad, but I'm telling you guys, 95% of the times I've never done anything but what I'm doing here, and the push mower always ran. I've never done anything more and it always ran. I am using right here just some little, you can have, if you just got some little wire or something, you can stick in there just to kind of clean the little holes out. Wasn't anything really down in the holes, but just since I got it apart, I'm going to do that anyway. Like I said, you really just need some compressed air and some brake cleaner to really get your lawnmower back running if it won't run. And like I said, you saw me at the beginning, I sprayed some brake cleaner in it just to confirm on the problem. Once I confirm that was the problem, I'm able to proceed with this step. So we're going to just get it cleaned up. The little silver piece that you see in the carburetor, it's called a wedge plug. I got my hand over it now because I don't want to blow it out. Sometimes those things will come out, but I just got my hand over so I would not blow it out. Just like I said, I'm just cleaning everything up to get everything put back together. These carburetors are notorious about getting stopped up and won't run. I'm just putting a little lube or grease or oil or something on the gaskets, the O-rings, so that when I put them back down in there, it'll go back down without any problem. If you look down inside of this carburetor, you can see that one side is lower than the other. That way you know how that part goes back down in there. Very, very simple, very, very easy to see. Like I said, now I'm just sticking your float down in there. It just pushes down and clips into the little tabs, and that what keeps that float in there. Like I said, pretty simple. You see me just push it down in there, and that what keeps it in there. I'm putting the bowl back on now. If you see down the little, you can see right now how I was looking at that to line that up with the top side of the carburetor. One side of the carburetor is higher than the other. So if you can see that indentation down in your bowl, that way you can get it set back down in there and it'll go back down, push all the way down. But now one way it will not go up and down, it will not go down all the way, and one way it will. So just kind of pay attention to that, and you'll be good to go. All right, now we're just getting everything put back on. We'll be back. You just want to put it back on how you took it off. However way you took it off, put it back on the same exact way, and you won't have any problems. Like I said, the job probably takes about, it'll probably take you about 45 minutes to do it. But your lawnmower will run once you're done. It won't hurt to check the plug, check the oil in it before you get it started. That way, if those things are low or need to be changed, you can do so before starting it. So I'll be back when we get ready to get it cranked. Let you see this more start. Oh, before I forget, guys, if you're liking the content that you're seeing from me so far, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to the YouTube channel. It helps my channels to continue to grow. I really appreciate you guys for the support so far. I'm looking forward to continue to making good content to help you guys fix your lawn equipment for years and years to come. All right, guys, there you have it. I want to thank you again for watching. Just a little more started on the first pull. Like I said, if you like the content that you see, consider liking, commenting, and subscribing to the YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.